Welcome as we are revealing a powerful nature's elixir, crafting allergy relief with our soothing herbal blend. Explore how Nettle Leaf, Eyebright, and Butterbur assist in alleviating allergy symptoms. Begin by infusing 1 teaspoon of Nettle Leaf in hot water for 5 minutes. Add 1/2 teaspoon of Eyebright, allowing it to steep for another 3 minutes. Lastly, infuse 1/2 teaspoon of Butterbur leaves and steep for 4 minutes. Strain and enjoy this allergy-relieving blend. Nettle Leaf for its anti-inflammatory properties, Eyebright to soothe irritated sinuses, and Butterbur to reduce allergy-related congestion. Embrace natural relief with this allergy-soothing tea blend.